Many-time champions Excelsior walked away with the most silverware on Wednesday at the ISA Schoolgirls Football Awards ceremony held at the JFF headquarters. Lennon were the only other school to cop any of the team awards, as Excelsior's Tatiana Pitter was named MVP of the final. Pitter, who is an outgoing senior, will leave the island in the fall to take up a full scholarship at Navarro College in Texas, USA, and says she has mixed feelings towards her new endeavors.
I had some ups and downs, but we rebound. I'm going to miss the school because that's where I spent most of my football career. But hopefully, embarking on a new journey, it will be good as well.
Meanwhile, coach of Denham Town, Kimati Nkrumah, says he was happy with his team's achievements considering the challenges.
It's always good to finish in the top 4 of any competition, much less second place. So it's a big hooray for the players, especially in an environment where it's pretty rough, you know. It's very hard to get training sessions run appropriately and appropriate times and get the players psychologically ready for such moments when there is a lot of crime and violence in the community.
Meanwhile, chairperson of the JFF Women's Committee, Elaine Walker-Brown, says the girls' ability to balance academics and football has paid great dividends.
Happening with women football, all the schools, all the coaches know, and even the players themselves know that playing the sport of football and not studying is make no sense. Because for them to achieve, they have to balance both the academics and the sport. So I think the women football, I think the ladies have that luck. That's why we don't have hand to send away players, because the world see the quality that we have and they come at it, you understand, and our girls prepare themselves to achieve those rewards.